Have it for a second, then you can take it off.
Okay, Josie.
Come here, Josie. Come on. Come see Mom.
Come on, Josie.
Josie.
Mark, it was just before 1 a.m. when the couple was alerted to a massive
I'm sorry.
on their roof of the garage. They heard at some point before thinking that it was some type of illegal firework hitting them.
Josie, where's the baby girl? Come here. Go see Jenny. Go see Jenny. She doesn't want to watch. She's a no. She's shaking her head. She is. That's what she's doing. She's doing this.
Yeah, no, you're going to go get another one, aren't you? Well, here she comes. No.
Come on, Josie.